Hello everyone. I hope you are doing good and enjoying our recipes, and if you love to watch them, please do like, share, subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notifications of our new recipes. Today in this video we will see how to make strawberry with cream, that too with ice cream and strawberry compote. So without any further delay, let's start with the recipe. To start with the recipe, let's prepare a strawberry ice cream. To make strawberry purees, clean and pat dry 500 grams of strawberries and chop them into pieces and blend them. Now in a bowl take 600 ml of whipping cream. Here I am using dairy whipping cream. While whipping dairy whipped cream, make sure the bowl is freezed and even the blades of the whipper are freezed. Whip the whipping cream until they form stiff peaks. Once they form stiff peaks, add 400 grams of sweetened condensed milk to it. Mix them well with the whipped cream and make sure it is well incorporated with the whipping cream. You can adjust the sweetness of the ice cream by adding powdered sugar to it. Once the condensed milk and whipped cream are mixed well, add prepared strawberry puree to it. You can add 3 to 4 drops of red or pink color to the mixture. This step is totally optional. You can even skip this. Pour the mixture to the ice cream container and tap to remove the air bubbles. Cover the mixture with a cling wrap or a plastic sheet. Make sure there is no space between the cling wrap and the mixture. Cover and freeze it for about 8 hours or overnight or until it is completely set. To make strawberry compote, in a saucepan take 200 grams of strawberry which are chopped into pieces and add 3/4 cup of sugar to the saucepan. Let the sugar dissolve, and once the strawberries become soft and watery, mash the strawberry. And add a pinch of salt and 2 tablespoons of corn flour slurry. Let it thicken. Once it thickens, it is ready to serve. You can store this compote for a week or two. To make strawberry with cream, in an ice cream bowl, add a scoop of strawberry ice cream, some strawberry slices, one to 2 tablespoons of strawberry compote, some more strawberry slices, whipped cream, some more strawberry compote, top it again with some whipped cream and a slice of a strawberry. strawberry with cream is ready to serve. I hope you like this recipe, and if you loved it, please do give a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section how was it.